Welcome to Review Lab. The best windshield repair kit is probably one of the most essential tools a car owner can have in their arsenal, especially when faced with the unexpected damage of a cracked or chipped windshield. This seemingly small issue can quickly escalate into a major safety hazard and a costly replacement if not addressed promptly, making a reliable repair kit not just a convenience, but a necessity for maintaining the structural integrity of your vehicle and ensuring clear visibility on the road. Number 5. Permatex 09103 Windshield Repair Kit. Avoid the high cost of replacing your windshield. You can make permanent, airtight repairs on most laminated windshields for a fraction of the dealer's price. Our precision resin penetrates deep into the damage, restoring strength and optical clarity. You'll get a clean, nearly invisible fix without cloudy or uneven results. The advanced spring-lock mechanism automatically controls pressure, ensuring the resin flows exactly where it's needed. No mixing, measuring, or experience is required. Forget UV lamps and special equipment. Simply park in the sun for 15 minutes and let natural daylight cure the resin. It works even on overcast days. This kit includes everything for a complete repair: syringe, resin compound, adhesive disc, pedestal, curing strip, push pin, razor blade, prep towelette, and instructions. What we like. This kit offers permanent, airtight repairs with crystal clear results, making it nearly invisible. The advanced spring-lock syringe controls pressure automatically, requiring no mixing or experience. If you're a DIY enthusiast looking for a straightforward, mess-free solution for common windshield chips and cracks, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The product is easy to use and effectively repairs small chips and cracks. The repair kit comes with all the necessary tools and clear instructions, making the process straightforward. After using the kit, the windshield crack became almost invisible and prevented further spreading. Number 4. Delta Kit's Easy 250S Mobile Windshield Repair Kit. Discover the Delta Kit's Easy 250S, your ultimate solution for mobile windshield repair. This comprehensive kit is designed for professionals seeking efficiency and quality. It features the robust Delta Kit's I-100S screw-type stainless steel injector. This tool ensures precise and effective repairs for rock chips and small cracks. With enough supplies for approximately 100 repairs, this kit is ideal for servicing numerous vehicles. You'll be ready to tackle any windshield damage. Experience professional-level rock chip and small crack repair performance without breaking the bank. It offers exceptional value for its capabilities. The kit also comes with Delta Kit's mini rotary tool. This essential accessory aids in the drilling process, ensuring a smooth and effective repair. The Easy 250S is designed for convenience and effectiveness. It's the perfect choice for technicians who need reliable tools on the go. What we like. This kit is designed for professional-level rock chip and small crack repair performance. It includes a screw-type stainless steel injector and enough supplies for 100 repairs, plus a mini rotary tool for drilling. If you're a mobile technician or a detailer looking to offer windshield repair services with professional-grade tools, this kit provides excellent value. What people say. The kit is easy to use and comes with all the necessary components for a successful repair. It effectively fills small chips and cracks, restoring the structural integrity of the windshield. The cured resin is clear and durable, making the repair almost invisible. Number 3. Automotive DIY Windshield Repair Kit. Introducing our easy-to-use windshield repair kit. It's designed for anyone to fix small damages on laminated automotive glass windshields with minimal effort. This kit offers a long maintenance effect duration. It solidifies quickly, allowing you to use your vehicle again the same day, and the repair withstands extreme weather conditions. It effectively repairs various types of damage, including small chips, bullseyes, star-shaped cracks, and more. It's ideal for cracks up to 12 inches and spherical damage up to 1 inch in diameter. Achieve professional results without the high cost of a repair shop. This kit helps you minimize the appearance of damage with little effort, saving you money. This all-inclusive repair kit comes with everything you need. You'll get repair fluid, scrapers, cured films, a push pin, and an instruction manual for a complete DIY solution. What we like. This kit is designed for easy repair of small damages in laminated automotive glass, solidifying quickly for long-lasting effects. It's suitable for various damage types, including chips, bullseyes, and star-shaped cracks up to a certain size. If you need a reliable, all-inclusive DIY solution that can withstand extreme weather conditions and offers a good repair effect with minimal effort, this is a great option. What people say. The kit is easy to use and comes with all the necessary components for a successful repair. It effectively repairs small chips and cracks, restoring the structural integrity of the windshield. The cured resin is clear and durable, making the repair almost invisible. Number 2. Albrta Upgraded Windshield Repair Kit. Discover the Albrta Upgraded Windshield Repair Kit, your ultimate solution for damaged car glass. This advanced kit is designed for quick and effective repairs. Our kit features an advanced resin formulation with a reinforced injection tip. It generates strong pressure and uses a vacuum function to remove air from cracks, ensuring an optimal repair. Repair chips and small cracks in just 20 to 30 minutes. This kit saves you money and prevents further damage, restoring your windshield to near-new condition. It's suitable for all types of laminated windscreen damage, including bullseye, half-moon cracks, star-shaped damage, and more. This makes it a truly versatile glass repair solution. Compact and easy to carry, you can perform repairs anytime, anywhere. This ensures a safer journey by addressing minor glass damage promptly. Experience efficient and durable repairs with our glass repair fluid. It provides a long-lasting effect without the need for repeated maintenance, protecting your glass effectively. What we like. This upgraded kit features an advanced resin formulation and a reinforced injection tip that generates strong pressure, combined with a vacuum function to remove air for optimal repair. It can quickly and effectively repair chips and small cracks in just 20 to 30 minutes, restoring windshields to near-new condition. If you're looking for a fast, efficient, and effective DIY repair solution that stops cracks from spreading and provides a good, durable repair effect, this kit is ideal. What people say. The kit is easy to use and the instructions are clear. It successfully repaired a small chip in my windshield, making it almost invisible. The resin dries quickly and creates a strong bond, preventing the crack from spreading. Number 1. Clearshield Windshield Repair Kit. This is a professional repair kit designed for auto glass. It includes all the necessary tools and resins to fix chips, cracks, and scratches on cars and trucks. It's designed for both experts and beginners, ensuring fast and efficient repairs. You can use it whether you're in the shop or working on-site. This kit effectively repairs various types of chips and cracks, providing permanent results. It helps stop cracks from spreading, saving customers money on replacements. Our kit is capable of over 1,000 successful repairs on different chip types. It's built to last and can be extended for thousands more repairs. This auto glass repair kit is proudly manufactured in the USA. Professionals trust it for reliable and cost-effective auto glass repair solutions. What we like. This professional windshield repair kit is designed for high-volume use, capable of over 1,000 repairs with permanent, airtight results. It's user-friendly for both beginners and experts, ensuring fast and efficient repairs that prevent the need for costly windshield replacements. If you're a professional auto glass technician or a business that handles a high volume of repairs and requires a durable, reliable, and USA-made solution, this kit is built to last. What people say. This windshield repair kit is great for fixing small chips and cracks. The resin in the kit cures quickly and makes the damaged area almost invisible. It comes with all the necessary tools for a DIY repair, making it easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.